What's the meaning of consummation? Consummation. Consummation.
Consummation. Consummation. Consummation refers to the completion or finalization of a process, typically in regards to a personal or romantic relationship. It is the point where all elements of the relationship have come together and reached their fullest potential. This can include physical intimacy, emotional connection, and spiritual alignment. The result of consummation is often a sense of deep satisfaction and fulfillment for both parties involved, as they have achieved a level of closeness and connectedness that they have been striving towards. It marks a significant milestone in the relationship and can serve as a foundation for future growth and development.